future never arrives by chance. It begins with a decision.
We right now are at the Deering Bay Yacht and Country Club. This is exclusive, beautiful, beautiful marina. And this is for all the exclusive people that love their golf and love to pretty much enjoy their luxury getaway. We just installed our iTints electric smart film digital zebra, the most state-of-the-art, high-tech, privacy smart film in the world. We did the golf simulator room where they wanted to have some privacy when they had the guests using the simulator from the operators inside. And yes, they already knew about our white smart film, the most common smart film, but they wanted to go even more high-tech. That's where iTints comes in play. So, gives you both reverse, just in case, right? You want to be more dynamic with it. And then number 5 does clear and then blinds. And for X or Y reason, you want to have it in a demo mode. Demo mode, you press it once, and it pretty much cycles through all the demos. Oh. You can literally leave it like that all day if you wanted to, right? But that's just a feature that it also comes with as well.
You shouldn't have any issues.
You have a 2-year warranty under iTints Care, right? 2-year warranty, product and labor. Now, if you ever want to extend the warranty after that, we usually reach out and say, hey, look, your warranty's over. Do you want to extend the warranty and or just add an extra year or two? Okay. You have that option as well. You want to change the battery, it's an 821 battery, very little low voltage that you require. But yeah, there you go.
So we should be all right.
Perfect. Do you mind if I take a quick little video and whatnot here?
Life finds every corner. Dreams become design. Every line was chosen, every detail refined. From the first foundation to the final view, every space is waiting to become something new. You don't build a home, you build a feeling.
Hey guys, right now we are at the Deering Bay Golf and Country Club in a golf simulator where we just installed our latest technology of iTints Smart Film, where this series is exclusive, never been installed in the entire world, only by us. And we're proud to showcase it where now you can achieve dynamic privacy, whether it's on and off, in a blinds features, clear on the top, clear on the bottom, and that is the most dynamic privacy smart film in the entire world. Stay tuned. This has been record-breaking, history in the making.
You don't chase tomorrow, you create it. Step into the future, where every window tells a story. Step into the future, where innovation feels like home. Design with purpose, built without limits. Every detail leading tomorrow. Step into the future. Step into the future.
Step into the future with iTints Technologies.
becomes a canvas. Privacy meets light. Technology disappears, leaving only beauty inside. Quiet